Southern Taurid meteor shower to peak November 4-5 Southern Taurid meteor shower to peak November 4-5 stargazers. Get ready. The Southern Taurid meteor shower will reach its peak activity on the night of November 4-5, offering a potential display of bright meteors as Earth passes through a debris field left behind by Comet 2P/Encke. What are meteor showers? Shooting stars, or meteors, are visible when fragments of ancient comets enter Earth's atmosphere at incredible speeds, typically tens of thousands of miles per hour. These fragments burn up due to friction with the air, creating a brief, brilliant streak across the night sky. The Southern Taurids are particularly known for producing fireballs, larger fragments that create exceptionally bright meteors, sometimes capable of momentarily illuminating the night sky. 2025, a potential swarm year. This year, 2025 is considered a swarm year for the Southern Taurids. This means Earth will pass through a denser region of Comet Encke's debris trail, potentially resulting in a more impressive meteor display. During the peak on November 4-5, observers might see as many as 10 bright meteors per hour. However, a near full moon will reduce visibility, meaning only the brightest meteors may be readily apparent. What makes swarm years special? Swarm years occur when Earth encounters a region of the comet's debris trail containing larger fragments. According to Robert Lunsford, an expert from the American Meteor Society, we encounter these larger meteors about twice a decade at irregular intervals. Unlike typical Taurid particles, which are roughly the size of pea gravel, swarm particles can be as large as baseballs or basketballs. From Earth, these larger fragments appear as dramatic fireballs. How to observe the Southern Taurids? The best time to watch for Southern Taurid meteors is in the hours following midnight on November 4 and 5. These meteors will appear to radiate from a point in the constellation Taurus, which rises above the horizon shortly after sunset and reaches its highest point in the southern sky after midnight. Tips for optimal viewing: allow your eyes to adjust. It takes about 30 minutes for your eyes to fully adapt to the darkness. Avoid direct moonlight. Focus your gaze away from the full moon to maximize visibility. Find a dark location. Minimize light pollution as much as possible. Scan the sky. Look about 40 degrees above the constellation Taurus, where meteor trails are likely to be longest. Remember, a clenched fist held at arm's length measures roughly 10 degrees. A less spectacular show, but still worth a look. Lunsford notes that Earth will pass through the outer edge of the swarm during this year's peak, suggesting a less spectacular display compared to the 2022 swarm event. However, unusually high fireball activity in October indicates that the year's display could be stronger than initially expected. With the next Southern Taurid swarm not due until 2032, taking a moment on November 4-5 to look up and witness this natural light show is a worthwhile opportunity. Astronomers interested in capturing a fireball as it streaks through the night sky should research techniques for imaging shooting stars and consider upgrading to the best cameras and lenses for astrophotography. The Southern Taurid meteor shower offers a captivating glimpse of our solar system's history. Keep an eye on the skies this November for a chance to witness this dazzling astronomical event.